Welcome back, guys. I am very excited for today's video because this is one that I've been wanting to do for a while. This is one of my current favorite makeup little trends, tricks that I love to do. It is applying individual false lashes. So if you're like me, I was super intimidated by doing individual lashes because I thought it was really hard. And then I learned how to do it, and it's actually the easiest thing ever. This has become one of my favorite makeup techniques. I can throw on individual lashes and not have to do hardly any eye makeup at all, just lashes, and it looks so pretty. So I'm going to share all of my tips on how to apply individuals. But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Alright guys, let's get started. There are a lot of different styles for individual lashes. Today I'm going to be sharing my 3 favorite ones, starting off with the regular individuals, and they usually come in 3 different sizes in the package. This one from Eyelure, lashes come in short, medium, and long, which is great so you can spread out the different lengths across your eye. These are just your regular wispy lashes. They're very natural and they look great on everyone. Another option that I love are the Ardell Double Up. So this is the same idea except they are thicker. That's why they're called double up. So it's double the hair within each knot. So if you like a bit more of a dramatic look, you can definitely try these out. Or you could always mix a couple of these with the more natural ones. This package has short and medium, so you can get different length as well. And then the third option that I love are the lash trios. It's a little bundle of 3 lashes all attached together. It's so easy to just plop them on. They're easier to work with because they're a little bit bigger. I love mixing these with a couple of the regular individuals, but you could definitely do just like 2 or 3 of these on the outer corners, and it looks really pretty. The only tools that you're gonna need for this is a little bit of lash glue and a pair of tweezers. I love using the Duo lash glue. This works amazing. It holds your lashes. You don't have to worry about the lashes ever coming off. The Duo comes in 2 different colors. It either comes in white or black. It really depends on personal preference. The white dries clear either way, but sometimes people like the black because they find it's a bit easier to work with. And then you want just a trusty pair of tweezers. This is gonna help you take the lashes out of the package and then place them exactly where you want them. So to start, you're going to take your lash glue and squeeze a little drop on the back of your hand. You could also do it on the back of the packaging. If you don't want to do it on your hands, that works too. And then I like to start with the thickest lashes first and then go in with the thinner ones. So I'm going to start with the lash trios. Since these are a bit fuller, you're getting a lot of lash in one bundle. Just going to pull it out with my tweezers. And then right at the strip of the lash, you're going to dip that into your glue. A little goes a long way because Duo is very strong, so you don't have to worry about it coming off. So you don't need to put a ton on there. You just want to make sure that the full strip is covered in glue. For the thicker lashes, I usually like to apply them on the outer corners of my eye. I don't usually take them inwards. You want to get this as close to your lash line as possible. I like to take a compact with a mirror so I can just look straight down so my eye can be flat, and then I can just plop it just really close, like I'm kind of like pushing it in. And that is it. That's how simple it is. That is why I love individuals, because they're so easy. So once you have that on, you don't need to play around with it. Just let the glue dry. Another really good tip for you guys is once you put the glue on your hand, wait like 30 seconds before you start doing the lashes because you want the glue to get tacky. Next, I'm gonna go in with the double ups, which are kind of medium thickness. These ones come in a medium and short. So I like to keep all of the short lashes just in the inner corner and then the medium lashes in the middle and the outer corner. So I'm taking one of the mediums with my tweezer. So you're just going to tap that little knot into the glue. And all you need is just a little bit of glue right on that knot. You might need to kind of play around with how you're holding the lashes with the tweezers just to make sure that you have the right angle. What you want to do is just look straight in the mirror, and you're going to notice where you have gaps, where you have less hair. That's basically where you want to apply any individuals. So I could see I have a gap here, I have a gap there. So I'm just going to plop this little medium one there. So it filled that little gap that I have. You want to remember what you're doing on your first eye so you can copy it to your second eye, so you can make sure that the lashes look the same on each. Remember where you're placing them and remember how many lashes you use. I'm gonna take one more of the double ups, but this time I'm gonna take it in short. Same thing, plop it in the glue. And this time, since it's the short length, I'm gonna place that right in the inner corner. There we go. Next up, I'm going to move to the everyday individuals. So these are the more natural ones. I love when the package has the 3 different sizes, short, medium, and long. It just makes it so much easier to get a very natural look. I'm taking the longest length, and since this one is very long, I'm placing this all the way at the very edge of my outer corner. I'm gonna take one more of the long again. I actually like to take the long and plop one just right in the middle as well, so it's not like all short, long, medium. Sometimes having a little mix looks a bit more natural. There we go. Usually at this point I'll look and I'll see, okay, where do I need like a bit more volume? That's where I'll plop in the medium lashes. The great thing I love about these two is that once you kind of get the hang of it, they're actually really quick. So for me, I sometimes find doing these easier than a full strip of lashes. This third part of my eye looks really full, but the other part doesn't. So we're gonna get that inner corner right now. So this is now a medium natural. And I just pop that right in the front corner of my eye. Can you guys see the difference? But it doesn't look like I'm wearing fake lashes. That's the best part. Just plopping this medium right in my inner corner. And to finish off the look, I'm gonna take one more long just for the outer corner so it looks balanced. There we go. Here is the before and after with and without the lashes. That is the final look with all the false individual lashes on. You could keep it super natural to get just gorgeous flirty eyes, which I love to do, or you can go full drama like today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Add me on Instagram at Eman, and I will see you in another makeup tutorial, how-to video, whatever you guys want to see. Leave it for me in the comments below and I will be sure to do it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.